Hi guys, today I'm going to quickly show you how to make your own sprouts. So sprouts are so good for the gut health, the microbiome. If you're on the Cosmic Moments membership program, you know that I speak a lot about the gut-brain axis and how when the bacteria in our gut is not in balance, it actually has an effect on our mental functionings. And it is so simple. When you sprout them and use it in your smoothies or use it on salads or just like have a mouthful, you're actually supporting your gut health. So what you need are your broccoli sprouts, a jar, and some stockings. Some beautiful purple stockings. So you're gonna get just a tablespoon of sprouts. If you want to make more, obviously add more. But you don't want too many. You don't want too many in the jar, otherwise they suffocate each other and don't breathe properly. Fill it up with water and leave it overnight. Every day after your first night of just letting it hang out, you then take your stocking and allow it to drain out. You're gonna allow the water to all drain out so it's empty. The reason for the stocking is so that it stays intact, the seeds don't fall through. And then you'll start getting your sprouts sprouting through.